Howdy Sony fans, this video will cover a quick review or install of the PCTC tempered glass protector for the Sony A7 III. At the time of this video, this can be purchased off Amazon for $6.99 for a 3-pack, so it offers tremendous value. Plus, not to mention, I've previously used this on my friend's Nikon D5600 to good effect, thus had no reservations about picking this up for the A7 III. It does come in a 3-pack, it has the instructions, all sorts of wet wipes and dry wipes, as well as these dust stickers. Installation is pretty straightforward, with the sticker side being the one that's going to be applied to your actual screen. And in terms of reflectivity, it's not really much more than the original screen. Now, the only reason that it looks a lot darker is because it has a black background. So let's go ahead and get this installed. So as mentioned, peel off the bottom. Given my A7 is fresh out of the box, I don't have to worry about any existing dust. I am recording this in my bathroom using that shower trick. Get a little bit of humidity in the air to trap the dust, and then you go ahead and install it. Just pretty much align it, and then you just drop it down, and it should self-seal, although this does look like it's a fraction bit off. But it has sealed, so I'm not going to fuss over it or worry about it. Worst case, I've got another 2 to go through, but yeah, it's not perfectly aligned. I am tilted ever so slightly that way, but like I said, it's not going to bother me. OCD types, of course, you do have your stickers, so you could just slap it on and pull it off, so that way you could guide it perfectly. But again, I'm not going to bother with it for now. So having spent the past 2 weeks with the screen protector on, I gotta say I'm really impressed with it. First off, one thing I've noticed is that it does not tend to get a lot of grease fingerprints on there, as opposed to other ones. Not that it's grease resistant, I mean there are still marks, but it's not as bad considering that, you know, I've been using this for the past 2 weeks. It's just got just a smidgen of it around there, so it hasn't been too bad in that regard. Now in terms of the reflectivity, like I said, not bad at all. I can't say it's much worse than say the camera's own screen. I also cannot discern any impact to the operation of the screen whatsoever. As you can see there, no issues, still operates reasonably smoothly. So overall, as mentioned, bang for the buck, $7 for 2, not too bad. And it did survive a trip to Glen Watkins State Park. Lots of dust, lots of moisture without any issues whatsoever. So overall, very, very impressed. And one thing is that I do note that while it doesn't sit perfectly flush, obviously, because it is slightly raised, because of the nice rounded edges, it actually doesn't catch too much dust on it, as I've noted with other screen protectors. Now, I am in the habit of kind of just dumping it in this way into my Low & Pro camera bag, but as mentioned, I don't note that it's accumulated any dust or crud on the edges here. So overall, I gotta say, $7 for 2, awesome bang for the buck, man. And that concludes this video. Thanks again for watching.